Well, hello again, folks. As you can see, this time I have one of these YALE. It's a 6-pin Dimple cylinder, which I borrowed off Dr. Bent because I went and bought these here, and they came recently, and I wanted to give them, dimple picks a wee go. This does come with working key. Looks nice and smooth. There's sort of your dimples, your bedding there, or dimples there. You can see that. And that's the sort of dimple picks I bought there. They sort of screw into this handle. So you have seen, most of you have seen them before. When you use a wee double-ended flag there, it's one of the bilateral ones. Just going to start in the front, sort of. Bear with me here, folks, because I am extremely rubbish at this. Sort of difficult for me to, I sort of seem to overset things a bit. Which I think I've done now, probably. So a bit of movement there. That's us in default set. Counter rotation. Oh, and that's us opened. Oh, there you go. Opened. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and gut this one, sort of show you what's inside it. There you go. So I remove the tail piece. There's a tail piece on it there. So hold on, I'll bring this down a wee bit. Screw flew over there somewhere. Move things out of there a wee bit. Get some stuff in. Okay, where's the keys? Let's hope I get this here right, folks. Sorry. Oh, some of my pins fell out. Sorry, 3 of my pins fell out. But I'll just show you them. They're all, sorry, they're all standards anyway. They're all standard key pins. Just show you. Oh. Sorry. Sorry, they're all standard key pins. There's only another few in there. Nothing exciting about them. There you go. Well, take a wee look at these ones. So pin number 1 in the driver pins is, well, that's just a standard. Pin number 2 is, oh, it's a very wee tiny YALE spool. Pin number 3 is a standard. Pin number 4 is another wee tiny YALE spool. Pin number 5 is a standard. I reckon this is a spool. Pin number 6. Yep. Is another tiny wee spool. A wee spring there. So in there we have pin number 1, standard key and standard driver. Pin number 2, standard key and spool driver. Pin number 3, a standard key and standard driver. Pin number 4, standard key and spool driver. Pin number 5, standard key and standard driver. Pin number 6 is standard key and spool driver. So that's your 6-pin YALE Dimple rim cylinder, single pin picked, thanks to Solomon, and quite happy with that. Take care folks, and all the best. Bye bye.